Today, we're going from grandma to glamour.
Oh my God. They call me Abuela.
Because it's all about them.
That's right. Each abuela will get a full glam session.
Just because she's a grandma doesn't mean she gotta live in 2016.
Fierce outfit. And a chance to win, but only one gets $5,000 worth of NYX professional makeup.
Aloha, I'm Laura.
Hi, my name is Oya.
My name is Socorro.
I'm a grandma.
I have 2 grandkids.
4 amazing grandkids. They call me Lala. I was a single mom raising 2 kids in Hawaii by myself with 0 child support. So I worked really, really hard. Gave them a good life. We had a good life. Then came the grandkids and I kind of started all over again. It was more fun because I wasn't full-time, you know.
My daughter says, Mom, it's time to do a change. It's time. I never heard about Baddies.
I've never heard the term baddie.
Baddie, I think, is someone who's sassy and edgy.
I've heard hottie, but when I was younger.
I don't have a clue what that means.
Round 1, you will need to get your baddie outfits ready right before heading over to the makeup transformation station.
That's right, and your time starts now!
I'm single. My kids think I need a new look.
The crazier, the better. I want like a really crazy transformation. Like I almost don't want to be able to recognize myself.
If I win, I wanna be the most happiness woman in this life. Oh my God, I can't wait.
Y'all, we are here with the lead makeup artist for NYX Professional Makeup. This is Martin. Martin, I'm sure everybody feels so much more secure knowing that we have you working on us, making us feel beautiful.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I feel amazing. I get to transform people and make people feel beautiful, which is my favorite part of my job. Especially when someone says they can't wear makeup or they haven't worn makeup in a long time. I was like, please sit down. Let me teach you otherwise.
Yes.
What is some makeup tips that you recommend for like people with mature skin?
One thing that I would do is hydrate, especially as we age, and I'm experiencing that too. Don't look too close.
Right.
Sometimes when, the skin gets more mature, it changes, it gets a little bit dry. Of course, we get like the little fine lines.
Totally.
I mean, she doesn't have any, honestly. If you told me she was a grandma, I would never believe it.
And it looks like this palette has literally everything. What are you using?
So the Ultimate Shadow Palette in Warm Neutrals, it is my go-to.
Oh my gosh, for the ultimate baddie.
For the ultimate baddie. Socorro here gave us some beautiful inspo that we're following. It's very full glam, very classic glam. Oya over there is getting a full, like, old Hollywood glam happening.
Oh, very excited to see that.
Talked about the Hollywood lip and the smoky eye. What's gonna be the look for the third Abuela?
Oh, yes.
So we have a couple products. I know we have our Slim Lip Pencil, which is super creamy. We have our Butter Gloss, which is juicy and glossy, and it's the OG. But I think I'm gonna keep you guys guessing. I think it's gonna be a surprise.
What?
Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you. You're gonna have to watch.
I guess you guys have to find out and see. Watch the episode.
And you look fantastic.
Yeah.
This is just the beginning, especially with a little bit of glitter. That's just gonna give it exactly what she needs.
I don't remember when is the last time then I do my makeup. Don't remember when I do something for me. Quiero verme.
I cannot wait for my daughter and my grandkids to see this transformation, the before and the after. They're gonna lose their mind. Having the makeover already is amazing, but that would kind of like put the cherry on it.
My routine these days is I get up, I either shower or I wash my face, put on a little moisturizer, and that's pretty much it. I put on a little mascara, but I really don't wear much makeup anymore. I used to in my younger days.
3 unforgettable transformations, but only one will be crowned the ultimate baddie.
Laura!
A reveal on top of a reveal! Wow! Laura, you look phenomenal. Oh my goodness. Look at these colors. Look at those nails.
How do you feel?
I feel great. I've never seen my lips look so pretty.
Your lips look very voluminous in the
Yes.
best way. That
Yeah, I
gloss,
really like 'em, yeah.
it is gorgeous. Obviously, we've got pros that helped you out, but hopefully
Yes.
you learned something so that
I
you
did.
can continue to.
Because they gave me some tips on the way too.
What's some
Yeah.
of the tips they give you?
I told her that I didn't like how my eyebrows were so far from my eyes, and she showed me how to kind of bring them down. And
Well, Laura, you are making our job just that much tougher because we
Yes.
have to choose but one baddie to crown.
hey, they're all great. They're great.
Thank you
guys.
Thank
so
you so much for
Yes.
coming.
Thank you. Oh my goodness! Oh wow! Socorro! Wow! Wow! I don't want to stop you. Keep going, please. My goodness!
How do you feel?
Gorgeous.
You look gorgeous.
You are
Light
gorgeous.
and sexy.
Oh,
Yes.
you are gorgeous, alive, and sexy. Wow! Look at that top. Is that comfortable?
Yes.
The nails, wow.
My
okay,
eyes.
yes, let's take a look at the makeup here. Can you close your eyes for us for a second? Look at that eyeshadow.
I love it.
This is the smoky eye that we were looking at earlier. Wow, that is so pretty.
What's your favorite thing of your makeup?
My eyes.
Your eyes.
Yes.
Have you ever done your makeup like this?
Never.
And how are we going to incorporate it into your daily life? You think you're gonna do any of these makeup looks or any of this like fashion?
I wanna do it every day.
I could look at you all day,
Yes.
Sakura. You look literally beautiful.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Quiero verme.
And also, I want you to know that I play bass. Did I tell you that?
Oh yeah! Oh my goodness! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yes! Oh yeah, how are you feeling, my queen?
I feel like a movie star.
Yes, I love the lip.
Wow.
The lipstick is so good. Have you ever seen yourself like this?
No, this is crazy.
It's definitely new, but it's gonna keep continuing, right? You're gonna look like this every day after as well?
Yes, because I'm not washing my face and I'm not doing anything with my hair.
Ever again.
Yes.
Yes, no showers.
No.
No.
This, I will preserve this.
Exactly.
And I'm sending pictures to the grandkids and they won't recognize me.
No, right, they're gonna be like, who's our older sister?
Yeah, right?
Yes. Well, you look gorgeous, Oya. Thank you
Yes.
so much for blessing us with this look. It's gonna be a really tough competition,
It's gonna
but
be
you've
tough.
given us a lot to think about.
Yes.
The time has come to crown our ultimate NYX professional makeup baddie. Let us deliberate. Yes. Yeah, no, we could do drinks later. Yeah. Okay. All right. And the winner of $5,000 worth of NYX professional makeup is Laura! For you, our queen. And for our lovely runner-ups. Stunning work. All three Abuelas, you all look amazing. You pulled off incredible transformations.
I think it's just going to make me feel maybe younger, the way I feel inside. A calm confidence, a real deep confidence in who I am, that maybe now that I look the way I feel inside, which is younger, stronger, better.
Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what was your favorite transformation.
You're always an abuela to people who are younger than you. Technically, I'm your guys' abuelas, all of you guys'.